Could Bitcoin hit 100K by the end of the year? Could we see Bitcoin oust the US dollar as the new world currency? Believe it or not, these questions are very relevant today, and you would have been insane to ask these questions just 10 years ago. So what is behind this recent rally with Bitcoin? What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Let's go over why I believe the surge in Bitcoin is happening. I'll then explain the benefits of Bitcoin and explain the advantages of why you, the investor, should invest in it. Amidst the pandemic, Bitcoin continues to make headlines. Bitcoin has surged over the last few months, and just last week hit $50,000 for the first time. A co-founder and partner at Morgan Creek Digital Assets said Bitcoin could hit 500K by the end of the decade and possibly surge to $1 million of Bitcoin. One JP Morgan strategist warns that what we're seeing could be the start of what he calls a Bitcoin bubble. So there are a number of factors behind this rush into Bitcoin. Recently, there's been large participation from both institutional and retail investors. Major companies are getting more involved with cryptocurrency transactions. Take, for example, MasterCard, who has recently jumped on the Bitcoin bandwagon. The company released a statement saying their philosophy is about offering its customers choice to make the purchases using digital value, traditional or crypto, however they want. With a company as big as MasterCard making this leap, this will no doubt pave the way for other companies and merchants to get in on the cryptocurrency craze, further pushing its use into the mainstream and increasing trust in the digital currency, which will have a positive effect on the stock's price going forward. Even the oldest US bank, New York's BNY Mellon, which was founded by Alexander Hamilton in 1784, announced just last week that it's creating a digital assets unit that will help their clients handle cryptocurrency transactions. The two key factors fueling this acceleration of cryptocurrency being accepted is increased client demand and clear regulations. For example, in November of 2020, Chief Executive Officer of BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers, said he could see Bitcoin replacing gold as the main investment instrument. Of course, with all the positive praise towards Bitcoin lately, there's always going to be someone who goes the opposite way. I guess time will tell if he is right or wrong. Adding to this frenzy, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, recently purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. If this wasn't enough, recent SEC filings showed that the electric car making giant has gone on record saying that they will now accept Bitcoin as payment for their electric vehicles. To add to this, Twitter and Square CEO Jack Dorsey said they will soon be accepting Bitcoin and cryptocurrency into their payment methods on Square, which is the largest mobile payment processor. As you've probably heard, Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk are very outspoken advocates of Bitcoin. So you may be asking, Mike, what are the benefits of Bitcoin? Bitcoin eliminates the risk of fraud due to the blockchain technology. Bitcoin's value increases over time due to its deflationary nature. Bitcoin has much lower transaction fees compared to other fiat currency. And my personal favorite about Bitcoin, there is no third-party involvement. Bitcoin wallets are unbreachable and anonymous by design. Bitcoin simplifies international payments, which is a huge benefit to international merchants. Bitcoin makes performing mobile payments super easy to do. Bitcoin uses smart contracts, which means a digital agreement for some type of value exchange over the open market. Bitcoin has given bigger returns over any other asset in 2019. Including even such giants as Amazon and Apple. The cryptocurrency market offers ease of access to new investors. Mainstream adaptation of cryptocurrency is already underway, and it's expected to grow exponentially over the next few years. There is a general optimism when it comes to using and buying cryptocurrency, so this is only going to continue. Once you understand cryptocurrency, it's super easy to use. So how can you profit from the crypto craze? I get it, the price is so high, you're saying, Mike, there's no way I can get in now. I should have bought in back in... Yeah, me too. You're right. In fact, just $100 invested in Bitcoin back in 2009 would be worth, yep, $9.2 million today. I know you're kicking yourself, and so am I. That kind of return beats out anything on the stock market over the last 10 years easily. So here are a few ways that you could profit off Bitcoin right now. You can earn money by acting as an Amazon purchaser. This is a traditional and hassle-free method to earn money with Bitcoin. You've no doubtly heard of Amazon, one of the largest e-commerce websites on the globe. Usually people buy their products at a discounted price, but there is a specific website called purse.io With this wallet, people can buy items at discounted prices off Amazon using their Bitcoin currency. So let me break this down on how this works. You put an order in to buy any product on Amazon. Somebody would buy this product for you with their Amazon credits. In this case, you pay that person that bought them for you with Bitcoin. The profit you will get for this purchase will amaze you. Typically, it's 10 to 20%. Why should one need to waste their Amazon credits for getting Bitcoin? And the reason is most people actually waste their Amazon credits. So you can amass a lot of Bitcoin by doing this over and over and over. Another way to make money off Bitcoin is to start your own cryptocurrency exchange platform. Let me explain how this works. As the use of Bitcoin's popularity has increased, people want to exchange their Bitcoin value immediately. This has brought on a need for cryptocurrency exchange platforms. Some of the more popular currency platforms you may have heard of is Binance, Coinbase, IDEX, Platform, and Local Bitcoins, to name a few. These traditional crypto exchanges are earning a huge amount of profit. Let me explain how. A crypto exchange platform makes money in the four following ways. They make fees on every transaction happening on the exchange. They make fees on every deposit happening on the exchange. They make fees on every withdrawal happening on the exchange. And they make affiliate money by placing third-party ads. So how do you do this? Well, first you have to get some cryptocurrency exchange software. It's super easy to do. You need to download the software and simply launch your cryptocurrency exchange platform. I've analyzed 3 main software providers here in this video for you. The first one is Scalex. They are a German company that created the software back in 2013, and they charge around $25 to $30 an hour to develop your own Bitcoin trading software exchange. The next is CoinsClone. CoinsClone offers featured-packed exchange software at an affordable price. The third is Blockchain's App Factory. As the name suggests, they are well-versed in adapting to blockchain technology and exchange transfer. They do charge a little bit more, but their services are backed by a higher security and technology. Another way to make money off of the Bitcoin technology is through microjobs. As the name suggests, some websites are ready and willing to pay you if you perform microjobs for them. Since digital jobs are becoming more and more commonplace, individuals are more than willing to work from home and apply their talents to companies that will pay them for their services remotely. Microjobs involve certain things such as watching YouTube videos and leaving comments, completing a survey, posting a rate or review, posting on forums, and clicking links. You will be paid by these companies via Bitcoin for your microjob. Since we're talking about crypto jobs, I decided to put a list of crypto job websites in the description below and right here. Sites like Coinwork, ETHLance, Blocklancer, CryptGrind, Coinality, and Bitcoin Get. You could become a Bitcoin writer. If you have good working knowledge and an understanding of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you can put those talents to work and actually earn Bitcoin on a regular basis. The amount you can earn will vary by your level of expertise and the amount of articles you write, but you can make a substantial amount of Bitcoin by doing this. As new crypto industry news pops up every single day, in these cases, these sites are looking for crypto journalists to share their content-rich information to their audience in a media-rich format. Make sure you deliver top-notch, high-quality, engaging content. Here are some of the lists of the websites. I will link in the description down below. So if you're a good writer, you may just be able to work from home and earn a decent living making Bitcoin by sharing the knowledge that you already have right here in your head. And of course, you guessed it, guys, what way to make money off of Bitcoin wouldn't involve affiliates? Yes, you can make money with Bitcoin using affiliate programs. So let me give you an example. Say you have a blog or a YouTube channel that you regularly use. You can join a crypto affiliate program, you can share your links, and earn Bitcoin for doing so. With this, the affiliate websites will get a huge amount of traffic and you'll get paid Bitcoin for sending them there. I've provided a list for you guys of some websites that are crypto affiliate platform. Sites like Bybit, Local Bitcoin, Coinbase, CoinMama, and Pax. If you are interested in these affiliate programs, here's what you have to do. Sign up for the service of the affiliate program. The service will then provide you a unique URL that you'll use to link people to their site. This URL is important because when people come to the affiliate site using your URL, that's your unique identifier that will let them know that the traffic came from you, thus you will get the payment. You need to post your desired URL from the affiliate on all your social media, your YouTube channel, your blog, anywhere that you post online in order to get people to click. Whenever someone clicks on one of those links and goes to the affiliate market, you get paid. So there you have it, guys. That wraps up my video about Bitcoin and how you can make money from it. If you got some value out of this video, please do me a favor and smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel, as I'll be posting regularly about ways to make money. Good luck with your Bitcoin ventures. Hit that notification bell for my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.